Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Open Capcut on iOS, Android, or desktop to add voice to text quickly. Navigate to the project where your text overlays already appear on the timeline. Use the plus icon to reveal audio options and choose VoiceOver, TTS, or Import. Check sample rates and microphone permissions before recording for higher fidelity. Use an external microphone if you want less room noise and clearer vocals on your track. Save a backup of the project before making major audio changes. To avoid, tap the VoiceOver button and position the playhead where audio should start. Enable monitoring and test levels to keep peaks below -6 dB for clean sound. Press record and speak in short phrases, stopping between sentences for easier edits later. For TTS, select text-to-speech, pick a voice, set speed, and set language before you generate. If you prefer recorded audio, import WAV or MP3 files and place them to match your text overlays precisely. Trim and split voice clips to align timing with on-screen text and visuals. Apply fade in and fade out to avoid abrupt starts or stops that distract viewers. Use volume envelopes and keyframes to duck music under voice by about 8 to 12 dB when spoken audio plays. Add noise reduction or EQ presets to clarify vocals, reducing bass rumble and boosting presence at 3.5 kHz. When finished, export using AAC or MP3 at 44.1 kHz for broad compatibility and clear playback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.